Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a general topics on the allied zoology subject. Here I have just prepared some of the topics which are related to allied zoology. Let us move on to a rule. The common allied zoology subject which is being including the basics of the biology. In turn it has been holding varieties of topics. So we are going to discuss about the topic which is being too common here, that is the difference between the prokaryotic as well as the eukaryotic cells. So let us go in detail about what is prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell. So when we browse through first about the cell biology and all these details it will come. So now let us discuss about the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. First of all, let us discuss the size of the cell. Here the prokaryotic size is somewhat smaller than the eukaryote. You can see here, so prokaryote it holds 1 to 5 micrometer in diameter, whereas eukaryote the size is 10 to 100 micrometer. Whereas the nuclear characteristic feature being the term prokaryotic, pro means the primitive and the karyon refers to the nucleus, they have no true nucleus. Whereas here we see eukaryotic, they have a true nucleus. That means the genetic material it is now covered by means of a nuclear membrane. The next thing it is about the DNA. In prokaryotic cell, they have a circular DNA but without any histone proteins. Whereas in eukaryotic cell, they are provided with a linear DNA with the histone proteins are present. Coming towards the next feature, that is the RNA as well as the protein synthesis, it occurs or couples in the cytoplasm, whereas in eukaryotic cell, RNA synthesis occurs inside the nucleus, whereas protein synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm. The ribosomal structure, if you see the prokaryotic, here it is 50S, which is the largest subunit, and 30S is the smallest subunit, whereas in eukaryote, 60S is the largest subunit, 40S is the smallest subunit. So we call that as one is being the 70S type, the other being the 80S type. Here membrane bounded cell organelles, the prokaryotic cell they are lacking, whereas eukaryotic cell all the membrane bounded cell organelles are present like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, etc. etc. Whereas cell movement in prokaryotic cell it uses only the flagella, in eukaryotic they use both flagella as well as the cilia. Cellular organization in prokaryote they are unicellular, whereas eukaryote are unicellular or even they are multicellular in nature. Cell division occurs by means of binary fission in prokaryote, whereas it occurs as mitosis and meiosis in eukaryote. We have few examples for prokaryotic. All the bacteria in RK category comes under, whereas eukaryotic here starting from protista, fungi, algae, plant, animalia, all those things it will come. So this is what we just discussed. Let us flourish much more detail later. Thank you.